Welcome to the historic market town of Tenbury Wells. We're here to show you a beautiful property today, and it's just a short walk from here. Let's take a look. Welcome to number 2 Berrington Road. This exquisite property has been renovated to an extremely high standard by its current owners. Come and check out my favourite room. What I love about this room is that it's a modern extension on a very old property. The quirky features, the exposed brickwork, and it's like stepping into your very own rock cafe. On the first floor we have 3 amazing double bedrooms, each with their own character and style. The master bedroom has its very own dressing room with a hidden door into a beautiful ensuite. The family bathroom must be mentioned as it has a gorgeous roll top bar with a waterfall shower above. And it just keeps on giving. This beautiful property has an additional annex which could provide space for that teenager, an additional income, or of course that intergenerational living. You can decide. So what is extremely rare with properties this close to the centre is to have this off-road parking, a single detached garage. So if you like what you see, give me a call in the Country Homes team today. I'd love to show you around.